Hi, welcome to our Twitter clone demo. This is a Twitter clone built with Elixir and Phoenix Framework. Let's start the project. As you can see, the server is up and running at localhost at port 4000. So this is our index page where you can log in or sign up or simulate the Twitter. Let's check out the Twitter simulation. So here you have to give number of client nodes need to be simulated and number of messages per client. So let's just simulate the requirement, which is 100 client nodes and 10 clients per 10 messages per client. As you can see, the simulation results are up. Now, since it's a simulation, we have created clients with user ID from 1 to 100 and 10 messages per client. So let's try to sign in with one of the users created. So we have a functionality where we can stop re-registering existing client. So I'm just giving a random number and check that functionality. So as you can see, registration failed, username already exists. Let's try to log in. So you can see the user 10 has already been logged, and this is the live tweets. We can subscribe to any of the registered users with this list and subscribe button. Let's just subscribe to user 50. Now the user 50 has been subscribed. This is the navigation buttons for the views. We have mentions, which will give my mentions feed. As you can see, user 10 has been mentioned in all the tweets. And we have subscriptions view, which shows user 10 subscribe accounts tweets. And you can retweet anywhere, any tweet, by clicking the retweet button. As you can see, the retweet has been sent successfully. Now let's try to tweet something. The tweet has been sent successfully. Let's try to search the hashtag which we just tweeted, hashtag awesome. I'm just searching for awesome in hashtags. As you can see that it's been displayed, and you can retweet this as well. So you can log out using logout button, and you can even delete that using. If you delete, the account will be deleted and you won't be able to sign in. User not signed up. So if you sign in again, it will sign up. And since it's a new user, there is no subscriptions, no mentions, and no live view. So that's all for the simulation part. We can now create two users and try to explore the functionalities a little more. I'm just going to open another tab for another user. So let's create Ashwin as one user here and Sattanaathan as another user in the other screen. Now let's try to tweet mentioning Sattanaathan. This is from Ashwin, so let's try to mention Sattanaathan and tweet. The tweet has been sent successfully, and you can see it's already been updated in the live view, and when you go to mentions, it's there. And since there is no subscribers, it's not showing. Let's try to subscribe Ashwin. And You can see it's there in subscriptions as well. So in home, there is only one tweet. So let's try to tweet something from here. The tweet has been sent successfully. Let's go to Ashwin's profile, and it's already been updated. You can retweet, and it's again displayed in the live view. So let's go to mentions. In mentions, since Ashwin is mentioned in tweets, retweet and tweet, the original tweet, it's mentioned twice. And let's try to search hashtag Twitter now. And since it's mentioned in tweet and retweet, it's displayed tweets from two different users. Let's try to delete one of the accounts. Let's try to delete this one. It's been deleted. Let's try to sign in again. User not signed up. Let's try to sign up. Now a fresh account with username Sattanaathan has been created. That's all for our demo, and I think we covered entire requirements. Have a good day. Thank you.